Active reading, annotating, SQ4R. I'm Bruno Santana, and this is your note-taking edition of IUPUI's Study Guide. First, let's talk about active reading. Have you ever read a chapter in your textbook and realized once you were done you couldn't remember or understand anything you just read? Using active reading will help you remember. When using active reading, you will be able to recall the information and apply it to your studies.
It'll also save you time and energy. One strategy to use when practicing active reading is to be patient. Read slowly and take your time with the test. It's important to read slowly so you can recall the information.
Also, don't move on to the next section or chapter if you do not comprehend everything. Make sure you understand all the main points before you move to the next section. Learning terminology is extremely important. When you learn the terminology, it will help you do well in tests and quizzes and also understand the section.
Another thing to remember when trying to understand textbooks, try to understand where the writer is coming from and what his or her intention is. Doing this will help you understand where your text came from and what the intention was to write. This tactic is especially helpful when reading historical texts. Finally, find a way to make the material exciting. If you're interested in the material, you will learn faster and easier. Find a way to make it relevant to you. Now let's go to Lindsay to find out about annotating.
Thanks, Shannon. Annotating a textbook is especially useful when studying for a test or quiz. Annotating involves highlighting, adding notes, and adding trigger words. It's especially useful to help you retain and recall information and to help you stay focused. For kinesthetic learners, annotating will help you to enjoy learning and to learn the information better because it's adapted to your learning style. A great way to review for class is to look over your annotations. Doing this will help you to prepare for class and also to put the information in your long-term memory to recall later or to use an application.
SQ4R reading method is a proven successful, comprehensive way of being able to understand and retain the information from your textbook. SQ4R stands for survey, question, recite, record, and review. The first step, survey, will help you understand the basic concepts of the chapter.
After surveying, write the questions from your heading and subheading in order to prepare yourself for a note-taking method and to further understand and clarify what's in the text. Read one paragraph at a time. Don't read too fast or you won't remember what you've just read.
It is important to take notes on what you read. Not only will it help you understand, but the outline will help you study for your test. Recording is a very special tool that you can utilize. Another way to retain information is by reciting what you read. Reading the textbook out loud will help you remember in the long run.
Finally, review the information, either after you've just read it or before you go to class, in order to trigger your memory to get you prepared to apply the information you've just learned.
The Bepko Learning Center is here to help you with all your note-taking needs. Please visit us on the second floor of Taylor Hall or visit our website for more resources. The Bepko Learning Center is open Monday through Thursday, 8 to 7, and Friday, 8 to 4.